Hello students, today we will study about the conference. So we will see the meaning and importance of conference first. The word conference comes from the term Latin origin confer, means to converse, to consult or to discuss. Therefore, conference means a meeting for the exchange of views and opinion. Conference may be defined as a meeting of people to solve particular problems, to take specific decisions, or to discuss on specific matters. Simply specifying the meaning of conference is meetings for exchange of views and opinions. A business conference is meeting whose purpose is joint consideration of common problem being faced by the organization. To define conference is to meet of concerned members, having meeting with concerned members to solve some problems, to take specific decisions or to discuss on specific matters. Now we have to think what could be the objectives of conference in any organization. So the first objective can be coordination of the activities in order to provide some sort of training to the employees in any organization. That can be a prime objective of conducting a conference in any organization or in institution. Then a periodic review of operations can be an important objective behind conducting any conference. So any institution regarding update of the current scenario, the problems taking place regarding in any field, education or science, medicine or environment, whatever it could be the area. But the periodic review of operations timely is important, and that can be one of the objectives behind conducting the conference in any organization. Then reconciling or conflicting views. It can be one of the objectives behind conducting the conference. The conference can be of state level, national level or international level. It can be parliamentary. So it can be regarding news, media. So the reconciling conflict or harmonizing or pacifying with some conflicts, views or opinions. So that can be an objective behind conducting the organization. Then developing policy or plan of action. That is one of the important objective of conference. Now we will see what are the types of conferences. The first point here is symposium. They are casual gatherings, and the cost incurred in conducting such kind of conferences, symposium, include refreshment and entertainment. The next one is seminars. Seminars are organized to discuss on particular topic. They are usually educational in nature, and attendees are expected to gain new knowledge or skills at the end of the seminars. So in an academic conference, scientists or the academicians, they come together to present their research findings, their presentations. Then comes the workshops. Workshops involve making provisions for offering a sort of hands-on experience for the participants with demonstrations and activities. An important criterion here is the allotment of time. So the amount of time one speaker addresses the group is limited. Then there is roundtable conference. Roundtable conference involve the coming together peers to exchange thoughts, opinions on certain topics. Usually it is political or commercial topics, areas. There are a limited number of participants who sit at a round table so that they can face each other and they can talk face to face. Then comes public conference or exhibition or trade conference. Now public conference come exhibitions, such kind of conferences will exhibit new project to make it possible for interested businessmen to meet all the suppliers at one place. Short seminars may be conducted throughout the day to elaborate on work that they are doing, and attendees will be free to attend the seminars and vendor the exhibitions in order that suits them. So, catering the management of other facilities will need to be more flexible than with the straight conference. Then comes private or business conference. They are often held when large companies need to get their employees or certain sections together, either celebrate success or to start new initiatives. In companies that are widespread across the globe, they are often held to update staff on new initiatives or to inform about new products and staff. Members of the public would not allow to attend. Then there are virtual conferences. So, virtual or professional conference. Final category, that increasing in attractiveness to business as travel expenses increase in virtual conference. The easy availability of internet broadband enables to connect of audio video conferences that can save travel cost and time saving as well while traveling. So audio conferences allow participants to hear each other, while video conferences enable them to see each other. They transact or discuss on matters with each other. Professional conferences meant to enable us to learn from one another in our profession. They help to provide expertise in relevant field and target professional development, and the participants are benefited as they provide chance to network with others. Then there is unconferences, that is not a traditional way of conference, since it avoids the high cost, top-down organizational hierarchy and sponsored presentations. All attendees are equally knowledgeable in such kind of conferences and about the topic, about the discussion that follow, and it is normally open mode discussion. Usually it is without a single speaker addressing the gathering. So it is a free kind of conferences that is called as unconferences. Now we will see the modern methods of conducting a conference. So the modern ways of conducting conference is through Skype, through video conferencing, chat, video, voice call, video call, digital documents. These are the different methods of conducting conference. Then webinar. What is webinar? This is a web-based seminars through webcam, webcam recording, slideshow presentations, screen sharing, audio-video communication, and through the use of headphones or the speakers. So in today's time, the conferencing is very much common through audio video conferencing, online internet conferencing, through webinar. The webinars are the usual way of conferencing, especially after the lockdown, post lockdown. It has been very much prevalent in the field of education, media, and everywhere worldwide. So it has been very much prevalent today, the internet webinar conferencing. Thank you, students. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. My email ID is chandan.mishra@patak.edu.in.